Hi, and thank you for watching. So for today's video, we have a very long awaited, well, you wouldn't have been waiting for it, but I've been waiting for this unboxing, and it is something really exciting. It is something that I've been on like a treasure hunt for literally, I want to say 3 years for. So I finally found it and I want to unbox it together. My favorite year of life, like pop culture wise, is 2007. I just love that time in my life. Like High School Musical, I think it was 2006, Kardashians, Girls Next Door, Gossip Girl, Transformers. I just love that stuff, and Ashley Tisdale is so cute. She had this bag that I'd see paparazzi photos of. I've been looking for this bag, and Chanel bags prices have been increasing like crazy. So I managed to find this bag. It kind of looks like the classic flap, but a little cuter and more individual. Like you won't be matching everybody else with this bag. So I'll just show you what it is. Like I said, I purchased this from The Real, and you guys, I literally purchased this on Christmas Eve. It was showing at my local UPS on January 4th, and a week went by and it just didn't have scan history or anything. So I was messaging UPS's Twitter and emailing them, and they just would not verify the location of this package. So I was like, where's my item, you know? And after chatting with them, not getting much help, finally somebody was like, just file a claim. So I filed a claim, and then they set my bag for delivery and then didn't deliver it, and then they marked it as lost. I wonder if because it had the Real address on it, if someone tried to take it. Eventually it got to me, so here it is. You just have to see it for yourself. So this, it came with the dust bag, obviously. This is the Chanel around chain flap bag, around chain. No, this is, what is it? Chain around chain? Which one is it? I don't remember. I think it's chain around because there's a chain around. So it has the double chain around, and this is in the Maxi size. How exciting. I'm elated. For real. I should probably take these tags off of it. When I watch videos of people purchasing pre-loved Chanel bags, it's so funny because if they buy like Gucci or Louis Vuitton, they want their stuff in pristine condition. They want tags still on it, brand new with tags, you know, but to find it for thousands less or something, which I think is a little unrealistic. But with almost every Chanel pre-loved unboxing that I've ever seen, everybody's so positive about their bag because it's Chanel for some reason, and you'll hear people like, if there's a scuff, they're like, oh good, like it's pre-scuffed, so I don't have to worry about being the first one to scuff it. And like, it's just weird how with Chanel people get a little excited in that way. They're just so positive about it, which I think is kind of interesting. I find that when you read the grades of the bag, they're like that as well. I've seen many Chanel classic flaps that are graded as very good or excellent, and when you read the notes on it, it'll say like, it's lost its shape, scratches on hardware, color transfer on back of bag, musty odor. There's a lot. It's cool that they include it in the description, but that's a lot to call excellent. Like to me, it doesn't sound excellent. So this bag on The Real, they graded it as good. Well, if excellent is like, sounds like there's a lot wrong with it, what is good? But the only note on it says moderate marks at interior. There are no scratches on the hardware, so it's not like they forgot to note anything, but I'm just trying to understand why this was only marked as good. Like there are no frayed stitches, there's no broken leather in the chain. This bag is in such great condition. I don't understand why it was only marked as good, and frankly, I don't even understand why the price point was so low for what this is. How did I just hit a jackpot like that? So there's stuffing in here just to keep its shape. I'll probably put a pillow in here or something. There are marks at the interior. It's like pen mark, like who cares? I don't care less just because it's Chanel. I just care less because it's a used bag. You guys, this bag is just getting better and better the more I look at it, because I just opened the pocket, the zipper pocket right here in the back, and it has the authenticity card. This was not listed as being included. It just said includes dust bag. Usually they charge a little bit more for bags with the authenticity card. You can look up date codes of serial numbers online. So I looked up this serial number. I don't know why I thought this bag was from 2004 because High School Musical came out 2006 and Ashley Tisdale had paparazzi photos after that. But this bag date code is showing 2015, 2016. So I can't believe what a good deal this was. Okay, so I'll just show you this. Look at this bag. So there's the CC logos in such good condition. And then when you open it up, there's that little magnetic clasp. It has the double chain. How cute is this? The straps don't move. This is where they're at. They're like attached to the bag. There's no fuss to the straps, so they're stuck together, so you're not gonna have one falling all the time. You can't change the length, which is totally fine with me because this is too big of a bag to want an alternate style like crossbody. The shoulder bag is perfect. This bag is so perfect. Oh my goodness. Can you believe how perfect this is? Pre-loved luxury shopping is like a treasure hunt and I get so lucky. Like I don't know how I get this lucky. I mean, I know I'm patient. I definitely waited years for this bag, but I cannot believe the condition that this one is in and the price point of Chanel right now, especially with inflation and all that. They're kind of hard to keep up. So, I mean, like, literally, this exact bag is on Poshmark for $6,300. I don't know if that's a fair price. That's just what it's listed for, and it's not sold. So maybe that is just like unrealistically high. I think it is. But this bag, like I bought it for like Saint Laurent price. It's so much newer than I thought it was. It came with the dust bag and authenticity card. Oh my goodness, how did I get this lucky? I'm really excited about this. This has been an adventure. I'll show you this full size. This is adorable. I'm sorry, but this bag is so cute. So Maxi, Maxi, I think Maxi's really good size for me. I'm not small. So this is like, almost kind of looks like book bag size. Yes. I wore a nice top for this video, but I still have pajama pants underneath because it's kind of chilly. So anyway, this obviously is not how I would wear it, but this, I just wanted to show you it on my body. I'm 5'5", and this bag is so cute. Oh my goodness. This is too cute. This is so classic Chanel, and that makes me really happy. It's not too quirky. I like toned down colors. I like classic styles that are not trendy, you know? So this is like a classic style, but it's also not the classic flap because I feel like you see that everywhere. You'll be so much less likely to see this out on the town. It gives me Saint Laurent college bag vibes, but I already have a Saint Laurent bag and this one's Chanel. So I don't know, this is so sweet. This is making me so happy. I'm living out my 2000s dream right now. I'm so happy with the size. I'm in love with the color. Love that. Love that for me. So everybody's going to play together really nicely. I think it looks really great right there. Everyone's getting along, everyone's settling in, and it looks like a very perfect addition to the family. This is exciting. This is a big day. This is a really big day. I'm really excited. Can you tell? This is lame. Probably. I don't know. That looks great. That looks really good. See? I'm really excited about that. So that is it, you guys. That is my Chanel unboxing. I think it's my first one on my channel. If you think that designer bags are like vapid and stupid, I don't know why you've been on this video for this long. It's not something that everybody has. So I'm excited to wear it out, and to show it the love that it deserves. So yeah, I have other unboxings on my channel. I have affordable fashion on here too, and makeup as well. So feel free to watch whatever, and I will see you in my next video.